Sunday, November 20th, 2022 is Name Your PC Day. Your computer is your best friend on almost any day. It works tirelessly. Sometimes it needs a little love, and sometimes it needs to be recognized as the individual it is. Just like your car, your PC has a personality all its own. And just like your car, it deserves a name of its own. The history of Name Your PC Day is as old as any object we've ever owned and named. Whether it's the first thought that we had a name carved into it, or a ship that was christened with a broken bottle of champagne. These days our PC are as responsible for getting us to work as our cars once were. And so taking an opportunity to do that, recognize them for what they've done. What if you had a computer that was mainly used for research and writing? Maybe you should name your computer as something related to information and stories. What if it is a treasure house of game ability? Please give it a name related to quickness and supernatural courage to make it sound so grand. Name Your PC Day is your chance to break out your creativity and figure out what to call your favorite digital vehicle. Name Your PC Day is celebrated by Name Your PC, of course. Spend some time and think about it. Ask around and talk to your friends. It never hurts to pour those who live in and around you. Oil pastel painting is a magical way of painting. It has a strong, vivid effect on paper. Every day of the year is a special celebration day. Let's draw a particularly interesting picture for each special day. Every day from Monday to Saturday, we draw a 10 to 15 second oil pastel drawing for beginners related to that day's special day to make Sunday's learning more fun.